हर एक यूथ को मैं वार्निंग देता हूं कि 1 मिनट के लिए भी सोना मत, क्योंकि हर मिनट यहां एंजॉय करना है। या बेस्ट ऑफ द एंटरटेनमेंट भी है, बेस्ट ऑफ द नेटवर्किंग है। यहां से जब घर जाओगे तब इतनी सोच रखना कि ये 3 दिन ये मेरे 3 साल 30 साल 50 साल तक कैसे काम आएंगे। हो सकता है यहां से 101% कितने यूनिकॉर्न्स बनेंगे, कितने बड़े नेशन बिल्डर्स बनेंगे, कितने बड़े लीडर्स बनेंगे। आप ही हो ये जैनों की नींव, आप ही हो ये जीतों की नींव। आप हमेशा अपने जीतों का और जैनों का परचम हर जगह फैलाते रहिए। थैंक यू। So friends, here we come to the big day, the curtain raiser of the National Youth Conclave 2026 happening in Namma Chennai.
जनरली ये होता है कि एक पर्टिकुलर थीम पे इवेंट होता है। एज अ ऑडियंस, एज अ रजिस्टर्ड पार्टिसिपेंट जब मैं जाता हूँ तो हो सकता है कि मेरे टेस्ट का नहीं हो, पर यहाँ कोई भी टेस्ट का पर्सन आएगा तो हर किसी के लिए था। मुझे फ्रेश होना है, गेमिंग है, बोर हुआ हूँ कोई चीज से या किसी एक चीज से मूड चेंज करना है तो म्यूजिक है। We have activities also, we have experience zone also.
I think it's just tremendous how gigantic this is and how unbelievable it is to have so many Jain youth at one location. I've met people from Texas, from Dubai, from Singapore.
थॉट प्रोसेस ऐसा था, अपेक्षा भी बोला कि मिनिमम 1000 लोगों को लेके आना है। राजेश रुकता नहीं है, चेन्नई रुकता नहीं है। 1000 का आज प्राउडली 4000 प्लस रजिस्ट्रेशन आए हैं और भी बहुत सारे रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑनलाइन है।
एक में पूरा मोड वर्कशॉप मोड में आ रहे हैं, लर्निंग मोड में, और एक हो रहा है जिसमें यूथ अपने अचीवमेंट्स, अपने विजन, अपने ड्रीम शेयर कर पा रहा। मैंने देखा कि उसमें बाहर तक लोग खड़े थे तो हम तो अंदर तक जा भी नहीं पाए।
इवेंट ना नेशनल यूथ कॉन्क्लेव, तो एक टाइम के लिए मैं खुद यूथ बन गया और यूथ की तरह सोचने लगा कि यूथ क्या चाहता है। उसमें बहुत सारे थॉट्स में मैं और रजत ब्रेनस्टॉर्म कर रहे हैं, निकोल, एवरीवन इज ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग, क्या चाहिए क्या चाहिए क्या चाहिए। तो उसमें ये थॉट आया, आई हैव बीन अ TEDx स्पीकर ट्वाइस, सो आई थॉट लाइक TEDx में अपन बात करते हैं, वैसा एक प्लेटफॉर्म क्यों ना यहाँ क्रिएट किया जाए।
Upset about anything, just remember there is someone who's always rooting for you, be it your family, be it your friends, be it your partner. कोई ना कोई है जो वजह है।
I got my brothers and my fam standing next to me. I go to war for what I love until the death of me. You quitting in the first is not a threat to me, because what break me is what makes me, it's my destiny. I know we heard it all before, but let me give it to you straight. When you're back against the wall, you just step up to the plate. Who to call, who gon' fall, don't be asking who to blame. Go insane, hey, since I lit the flame, I ain't scared to burn away. As far as the eye can see, this flame gon' light the way.
Vision of Jito is that we work on 3 principles, that is Seva, Shiksha and Arthik Sudhrudhata, that is Seva, Education and Economic Empowerment. We have more than 50,000 members globally with more than 87 chapters. The vision is simple that Jains, be it to whatever subsect, भले श्वेतांबर हो, दिगंबर हो, जो भी हो, आपको एक अम्ब्रेला में जुड़ना है and you have to work towards the organization is supposed to work towards economic empowerment, the upliftment of the Jain society.
Well, I mean, our chairman Rajesh Chandan has always been a visionary and he's always been looking forward to the youth. Being a part of his team as a youth convener, we always had vision to do a biggest event. Towards the journey, we found the opportunity of doing this NYC. We struggled a lot to get this NYC to Chennai, and finally it was here. The vision behind doing NYC was to just give something to youth.
राजेश भैया प्रपोज कि यहाँ पे करेंगे तो इसका मतलब विजन ऑलरेडी बड़ा था। अभी इट हेल्प मी थिंक बिग। Looking at this, it'll help the youth कि we can think bigger than this. The perceptions that आप इतना आपका जो लिमिट होता है उसको आप बढ़ा कैसे सकते? How can you go beyond what you can think? This is what is the biggest takeaway of this event.
मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते हैं इतना बड़ा करने की क्या जरूरत है, इतने बड़े इवेंट करने की क्या जरूरत है, आपका टर्म इतना बड़ा है और भी है। तो मैं ऑलवेज एक ही चीज सोचता हूँ कि मैं कपिल देव हूँ, 1983 का वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल है और मैं आज छक्का नहीं मारूंगा तो कब छक्का मारूंगा? इंडिया के लिए, जीतो के लिए सबसे बड़ा चीज, सबसे बड़ी शान, सबसे बड़ा यूथ प्लेयर करके रहूंगा। और आज ये इतिहास रच रहा है आप लोग सब।
Chennai chapter is one of the biggest chapters for youth wing, and Chennai has always been the talk of the Jito for bringing in new creative ideas, new creative events.
At this NYC, how everything is executed and the kind of speakers we are getting, the kind of response we are getting, I'm very confident that in the future we will not just have more Gen entrepreneurs, but we will also have more Gen leaders.
The moment people came to know that Chennai is hosting NYC, people were super excited. People didn't know the lineup, they didn't know the speakers, and we had 1,000+ registration within 3 days.
Now, the kind of speakers that we've had on day 1, day 2, day 3 that are coming in, we're especially inviting a select few speakers so that they come and not just inspire the audience, but really ignite that spark. So we had scientists coming in, ISRO scientists, defense tech, we have from various sectors, and they're all coming in throwing new ideas, and everything that we have here around the event, it's all within the same. We're talking about esports, we're talking about an experience center that's showing you what the world looks like in 2050. So it's really important, it's an eye-opener.
This is a place which has been developed by India's #1 research scientist, Vishnu Prasad. And we are just showing how from 1950 to 2050 will look.
I think it's been pretty amazing from the setup to the speakers. It's fascinating and it's really nice.
It was really nice. I mean, I love Ranbir Alabadia today, how he liked his talk and everything. It was really nice.
I came here because of her. And I came here for the amazing speakers. Yeah. Ranbir and the other speakers, yeah.
While I leave from here, I made like at least 100 new friends and business partners.
You know, all of this, the whole thought was कि लोग आपस में मिले. But then we thought this is not enough. So we launched something called as Alpha League about 6 weeks ago.
तो मतलब मैं इमोशनल हो जाऊंगा. कल जब हम यहाँ पे मिले फर्स्ट टाइम पे रियल मतलब फिजिकली फर्स्ट टाइम मिल रहे थे, तो मतलब हमारे टीममेट्स ने मुझे स्पेशली थैंक यू देने के लिए मुझे एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट दिया. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत ही मेमोरेबल था.
The whole funda was when we crossed 1,000 registrations, we were at 1,200 in numbers. We said अब ये 1200 लोग pre-event engagement कैसे करेंगे? So these 1,200 people were divided into 100 WhatsApp groups of 12 members each. 2 people are not from the same city, not from the same background.
हम ऐसे सोच के आए थे कि यहाँ पे बस जाएंगे, मतलब बड़े बड़े सेलिब्रिटी आ रहे हैं, मिलेंगे करेंगे, बट इससे ज़्यादा ये हुआ कि हमें कनेक्ट मिले, हमने कनेक्शन बनाया, एंड फाइनली बिकॉज ऑफ दिस अल्फा लीग वी हैड ऑलरेडी नोन पीपल जिनसे मिलने का एक्साइटमेंट था.
They have been working together very closely for the last 5 weeks. And today, this is the finale that we see.
So all the celebrities who came, they said, if you have a great leader, right, just follow unka footsteps, unka success, and you will reach where you have to reach. So you have Rajesh sir, you have RK, 2 great leaders. All you have to do is just follow them, and you will reach where you have to reach.
National Youth Conclave. It was dream vision of our chairman, Shri Rajesh Ji Chandan.
I'll tell you, more than 300 people are working day and night for this event. Somebody is handling logistics, hotels, 4 different hotels we have, and those guys are not. उनको इतना भी थॉट नहीं है कि हमको भी इवेंट देखना है.
आप तोड़ के आ गया था, वो भी रो रहा है ना, मेरा इवेंट कैसे होगा? मतलब भाई तू पूरा this guy is crying up like crazy and we just tell each other भाई आज लड़ ले, कल वापस काम करना है, because really whatever happened, no matter how many conflicts we had or how many decisions we thought were right but then not went ahead, you know, NYC happened. And I look around, I see thousands of people walking around, you know, not going into speaker sessions, but then just mingling with each other.
तो जो लॉजिस्टिकल पार्टनर थे, उनकी 200 गाड़ियाँ सब एक साथ ड्राइवर चलने गए. कोई गाड़ी नहीं, 200 गाड़ियाँ, 1500 जन यहाँ बैठे हैं, उनको लेके जाना है लीला आया देविया.
All the vehicles gone now. Midnight 10 o'clock. Where will get the vehicle?
No buses, no कोई भी ट्रैवलर ने बोला 20,000 रुपया एक इनोवा यहाँ से लीला जाने के लिए.
So we somehow pulled in lot of our members' personal vehicles we put them in, we made sure that they don't have that nightmare.
आधा पौना घंटा 1 घंटा लगा कुछ लोगों को डिफिकल्ट कुछ ओला कोई ओला बुक करे कोई रैपिडो बुक करे कोई उबर बुक कर रहा है बट इमरजेंसी को भी कैसे टैकल करके लेके जाना इज व्हाट वी हैव टू लर्न एंड दैट्स व्हाट
Trust me, the trust what they put in us, the entire youth, the entire core of Chennai chapter has given that 200%, and the rest is what you see all around. I mean, they have just done history.
Friends, this is what Jito is. This is what NYC is. My vision, which I thought, I think it has been accomplished. I thank all my team members, the Apex Jito, the Chennai Jito youth, the Apex Jito youth, and everybody else. They all gave their best. Nothing less than the best that they gave, and that is why today this has been so magnanimous. I always say, कोई भी कार्य तभी संपूर्ण होता है जब कार्यकर्ता कार्य करता है. So every other कार्यकर्ता has given their best to this event, and I hope they all also like the event, and we all also like the event. Friends, don't forget, this NYC has set such a benchmark that people will remember for their life. I know many more NYCs will come. They also will be much better than this, but I will make sure that this NYC is in the heart of everyone. Everyone well execute, all is well that ends well. Thank you.